Hi, I'm Salma with the Frain group. Today we're going to be cycling your Savage Brothers cooler with optional equipment. We recommend reading the manuals in their entirety before powering on this machine.